Good morning, students. In continuation of the topic taxation mechanism under GST, today we will discuss exemptions and exempt supplies. Central government may exempt goods and services of any specified description from the tax leviable thereon by issuing exemption notification. यानी कि यदि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट चाहे तो किसी भी गुड्स और सर्विसेज जिस पे कि टैक्स लगाया गया है उसे नोटिफिकेशन इशू करके टैक्स से एग्जेम्प्ट कर सकती है। ये एग्जेम्पशन होली भी हो सकती है, पार्शली भी हो सकती है, एब्सोल्यूट भी हो सकती है और कंडीशनल भी हो सकती है। नेक्स्ट वी विल टेक cumulative conditions to be satisfied for exemptions. These conditions which are visible on your screen must be satisfied cumulatively in order to grant exemption for certain goods or services or categories of goods and services. Like the very first one is exemption is to be granted in public interest only. It is to be granted on the recommendation of the GST Council and it is to be granted by a notification in the official gazette. It is to be granted either absolutely or subject to specified conditions. It can be from the whole or any part of the tax leviable thereon. Date of exemption may either be the issue of notification or any subsequent date which is being mentioned in the notification. So all these conditions are to be satisfied together in order to make it an exemption. यदि किसी केस में सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने फॉर एनी गुड्स और सर्विसेज होल टैक्स को एग्जेम्प्ट किया है एब्सोल्युटली, तो उस केस में टैक्सेबल पर्सन इज़ नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू पे टैक्स ऑन सच गुड्स और सर्विसेज. नेक्स्ट इज एग्जेम्प्टेड सप्लाई. Supply of any goods or services or both which attracts nil rate of tax or which is wholly exempt from tax and include non-taxable supply, जिसमें हम इंक्लूड करते हैं स्पेसिफाइड पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट एंड लिकर फॉर ह्यूमन कंजम्पशन विच आर बियॉन्ड द स्कोप ऑफ GST. Next, we have the meaning of zero rated supply. It means any of the following taxable supply of goods and services which are meant for export of goods or services and supply of goods and services to SEZ developer and SEZ units. SEZ means स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन्स. तो ज़ीरो रेटेड सप्लाई एक्सपोर्ट को प्रमोट करने के लिए किया गया है जिससे कि एक्सपोर्ट्स को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंक्रीज़ किया जा सके. So these are certain definitions in respect to exemptions. Next, the list of exempted goods under GST is visible on your screen. You may go through these various items. If you find a question on this, you can mention few amongst these as per your memory. These are in continuation as you can see on this screen as well as in the next screen and also continue on the continuing screen. Also herein mentioned the list of exempted services under GST. So a list is being mentioned here. So we have list of exempted goods as well as list of exempted services under GST. you can refer these for your purpose. Thank you.